Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Honor X9c Smart smartphone with us. So we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, hardware specs, display and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here on the front side we got the image of the smartphone inside. The picture we got is of cyan green, but here you can see that the device we got inside is moonlight white. It comes with 12GB RAM, 256GB storage. It is a dual SIM smartphone and it is not for sale because this is a special review unit. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is Honor X9c in moonlight white. SIM card tray, ejector pin, a case for the back panel. Here we got a 35-watt Honor supercharged charger and a USB Type-C cable. So these are the stuff we got inside our retail box. The Honor X9c Smart, the SIM card tray, ejector pin, case for the back panel, 35-watt charger and a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, there are no user manual, quick start guide, warranty card, etc. provided because this is a special review unit, but in your retail box you will find these stuffs as well. So here is the Honor X9c Smart in the moonlight white, and as you can see, it is looking really beautiful and eye-catching because of this marble design. So first of all, let's switch on the device. After that, we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our Honor X9c Smart. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our Honor X9c Smart here. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got this huge 6.8-inch display with 89% screen to body ratio. The side bezels are extremely thin, but we got a bit of chin here at the bottom. The top bezel is once again very thin and narrow. That gives a very premium vibe to this smartphone. So it would be great if Honor could provide a bit thinner bezel at the bottom as well. At the top center of the display, you will find this punch hole where 16 megapixel front camera is placed. Right above it, there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece. At the top, you will find the primary microphone along with some sensors. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot. On the right side, we got the volume keys and the power button, beneath which you will find the fingerprint sensor. On the left, there is nothing provided, and the back of the Honor X9c Smart is the most beautiful part of its design. For our moonlight white, it comes with this nice marble looking design, and surprisingly, not only in terms of appearance, when you move your finger, it also feels like marble. So that's quite nice that Honor is providing this nice texture on a plastic back panel, giving it a very premium and beautiful looking eye-catching design. We got the Honor branding with some regulatory information. I would personally prefer if the regulatory information was a bit less prominent, as it will contribute in the beauty of the design. At the top center of the back panel, we got this signature circular camera module design where you will find two rear cameras along with the LED flash, 108 megapixel camera branding along with the matrix camera module design branding. Even though it comes with huge 5800 mAh battery, the Honor X9c Smart is just 7.88 mm thick and it weighs only 193 grams. So it is pretty lightweight, quite slim, and the slightly curved edges on the back as well as on the frame look quite nice and provide a nice visual experience. The display of Honor X9c Smart comes with the Honor's Ultra Bounce Anti-Drop Technology 2.0 that provides up to 2 meters of drop resistance. So the Honor X9c does not come with any kind of premium or fancy Gorilla Glass etc. but still the display of this device is supposed to be pretty solid. We will see in our future videos that how good is the durability of this protection we got on the display of Honor X9c Smart. It also comes with triple layer waterproof design that's supposed to provide protection from the water and splashes to this device, and it also comes with the wet and greasy hands feature that allows you to use the device even if your hands are wet. So once again, officially the Honor X9c Smart does not come with any kind of IP certification. Instead of that, we got the triple layer waterproof design, and once again I will make a water test video of this device to see how durable it is against the water. So if you're interested in watching those videos, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. Talking about the display, we got a 6.8-inch 1.5K TFT LCD display with 89% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 390, and considering the price segment of the device, it is quite nice. As you can see, the colors are vibrant, the sharpness is quite high, and you will enjoy all kind of content. The viewing angles are nice as well, and the thin bezels on the sides and at the top provide a nice immersive visual experience if you just ignore the thicker chin we got at the bottom. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, flicker-free DC dimming, and circadian night display to provide less fatigue to your eyes even after a longer session on this device. The colors are a bit on the cooler side on the display of Honor X9c Smart, but of course you can make some changes in the color mode and temperature to make it according to your preference. The maximum peak brightness in high brightness mode can go as high as 850 nits, so you won't face any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors. And as you can see, the display is very smooth at 120Hz refresh rate here. Talking about the hardware specs, it comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra processor with IMG BXM 8256 GPU. You got 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and it comes with memory expansion feature that allows you to extend the RAM 12GB more. So you can get virtually up to 24GB of RAM on this device. I will soon publish the benchmarking test score results and gaming test review video of Honor X9c Smart. And once again, if you're interested in watching those videos, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. We got 5800 mAh battery along with 35W fast charging feature, and it also comes with the performance mode to improve the performance of the device along with Honor's Smart Charge and Smart Battery Capacity features. Talking about the software, the Honor X9c Smart comes with Android 14 with macOS 8.0 on top of it. So it comes with plenty of Honor applications like the My Honor, App Market. We got all of these gallery settings, notepad, calendar, file manager, themes, AI suggestion folder, and we got the game center or email. And in tools you will find some useful applications like the calculator, video player, media player, music player, device clone, etc. As we have seen earlier, the macOS 8.0 comes with plenty of nice and useful features that you can use to improve your productivity on Honor smartphones. And the same goes with the Honor X9c Smart as well. As you can see, we got plenty of options and settings that you can use to do various customization and improve your productivity on this device. When it comes to camera, we got 16 megapixel front facing camera that is capable of recording full HD resolution videos. On the back, we got dual rear camera setup consisting of 108 megapixel primary camera with 3x in sensor zoom and the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. So in terms of hardware of the ultra wide angle lens, it is quite unimpressive, as even in the budget Android smartphones these days the usual ultra wide angle lens you will get is of 8 megapixel. But we got a huge 108 megapixel primary camera that sounds better for sure. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So as you can see that it comes with highlight capture that provides AI high-speed shutter for capturing the pictures of fast-moving objects and scenarios. It comes with moving photos, we got AI. If you go to portrait mode, we got the option for beautification as well as the bokeh effect. We got the night mode, we got the aperture mode that creates nice bokeh effect. We got the video mode, and as you can see, we can record Full HD resolution videos at 30 FPS, and 60 FPS mode is not available at all. But we can record Full HD resolution videos at 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio as well. We got the multi-video mode that allows you to record video from front and rear camera at the very same time. And if you go to more here, you can see that the Honor X9c Smart camera comes with the Pro mode, slow motion panorama, HDR photo, time-lapse, watermark, high-res imaging, story mode video recording for social media, and scan document feature as well. So as you can see, we got plenty of options and settings that you can use to take pictures and videos on Honor X9c Smart. The only thing is that it does not come with a dedicated telephoto lens. There is no 4K resolution video recording or 60 FPS video recording, and the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens is quite unimpressive. But we will see how good the performance of the camera is going to be in our future videos. Right now I just wanted to give you a quick idea about all of the features and options and settings we got here on our Honor X9c Smart. So overall, the Honor X9c is looking a pretty nice smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with nice screen to body ratio along with a vibrant display with 120Hz refresh rate, 850 nits brightness, Honor Ultra Bounce Anti-Drop Technology 2.0, triple layer waterproof design, a very beautiful, unique and premium looking back panel design, huge 5800 mAh battery and a nice primary camera. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Honor X9c Smart will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.